Hello, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those details with you. So first of all, we have the job opportunity for QA. So experience required is 1 year and there is one opening. The location is in Ahmedabad, and this is the email address, the contact details, the website details are provided. So QA one opening is there and junior QA one opening is there. So this is a company which is hiring both fresher as well as experience. Then there is a requirement of manual testers. So the location is Bangalore or remote as well. So the skill set required is functional testing, database testing, and basic knowledge of automation testing would be a plus. Then there is a requirement for QA testers, manual again, experience 3+ years required, and QA tester automation 3+ years required. Location is Ahmedabad, and this are the details that are provided. Then there's a walk-in interview on 25th of January, 9 to 5 p.m. And there is a requirement of testers 0 to 2 years, automation engineers 2 to 3 years, mobile automation engineers 2 to 3 years, and the locations are provided. So multiple job opportunities are there. Apart from this, so there is a job opportunity for tester again. So if you will see these particular details, so there is a requirement for QA. Experience required is 2 to 4 years. Location is Mohali, and these are the contact details. Then there is a requirement of QA again for fresher, and the location is Indore, and the email address has been provided wherein you need to apply. So one more requirement for QA automation engineer. Again, it's a hybrid, and this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then a company which is based out in Mohali, Lumino Guru Private Limited, is currently hiring for QA engineers. The experience is 2 to 3 years, and the positions are work from office Monday to Friday, and these are the email addresses. Right. Then there is one more requirement in which there is a requirement for manual testers. Experience is 2 to 3 years. Location is Ahmedabad. So you can apply at this particular email address itself. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. Also request you to please like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these all opportunities are shared absolutely free of cost with you. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.